South Hadley Public Library, and the history room of the library on the second floor. And you can do local history in this room, and I do most of my South Hadley research here. This first cabinet has South Hadley yearbooks and also some city directories. A city directory is like a phone book without the phone numbers. And you have them back in South Hadley all the way back as far as Holyoke, because they're always intertwined with Holyoke's directory. And the second one, you have the rest of the directories on the bottom and the street listings on the top. You can find lots of people who live in South Hadley, especially in the fall section of South Hadley, and the very old ones. And then the Sun joins in the later ones. And these are the town reports, and so South Hadley became a town over 200 years ago, right? 250th anniversary. And here you have all the reports going back in time, and you can look up what the town was doing at any point: the police department, the fire department, reservoirs, schools, right? And there's general interest books starting on top, and that keeps going. These are general interest books. Some of them are unique to South Hadley, which is incredible because you can find books about cemeteries in South Hadley, about homes in South Hadley. And on this one, you see some of the old books. There's a book right in front of me about one of Mount College's presidents. There's a book called An Old South Hadley by Sophia Eastman. She did a great job on the book. Over here, this is the map cabinet. You can find incredibly old maps, some of the streets, some of the on the canals, and you can find some on the reservoirs and brooks, so forth. Some go way back in history, and they're the original. Okay, now as we go through here, this is merchants called Gridley Canny. They too lived in the center of South Hadley. They ran a merchandise store up there. You can see an old grandfather clock, an old treasure case, and then from here over sweeping across, you have miscellaneous material. As you know, in any history room, you're going to have so much material that is not always going to be in one set place. Now, we're going to have a sweep around showing all the pictures, and you're going to get to see many of them. Some you won't have the best vantage point, but at least you get to see them.